assessment asks us to give a reagent that will allow us to convert an alkyl halide to an alcohol. Now, if we look at the net replacement here, we're going to be losing Cl- and replacing it with OH. Now, one of the first reagents we might think about is using hydroxide and just do the direct displacement for that. Now, if we were to do that, if hydroxide were the answer here, that would imply that we're doing an SN2 reaction. But if we look at this alkyl halide, we note that it's a tertiary alkyl halide, and you can't do SN2 reactions at tertiary. That automatically clues us in that we must be doing this substitution under SN1 conditions. And so, in order to do that, let's think about what we need to add. Well, first, the reaction's going to start by chloride leaving. That's going to give us this carbocation. And now, instead of having the strong nucleophile hydroxide, we'll use the weak nucleophile water as our reagent to attack. A second step removes the proton to give us this product. So because we had a tertiary alkyl halide and we need the reaction to be under SN1 conditions, we want to use the weaker nucleophile. So water is the answer here.